Meantime, there's some vaccine confusion among teachers, namely those who teach at the college level.
That's right. While some university professors and staff are deemed eligible to sign up, some community colleges say that's not the case for them, and they are still waiting. Our Brianna Whitney explain what she found out. Brianna?
It's definitely confusing, and it seems to come down to which guidance somebody is following. So the state and Maricopa County have different qualifications for certain groups when it comes to getting the vaccine. And while the state tells us they're including all teachers right now, that's not what some are being told by the county.
Many teachers were relieved when they heard they'd be in the prioritized 1B group to get the vaccine, but that may not completely be the case.
So as far as you guys understand it to be, your staff, higher education, is not in this prioritized group of 1B.
Correct. That's what the county's telling us.
Matt Hassan is the Chief Communications Officer for Maricopa Community Colleges, which has 10 different schools across the valley. He says the county's prioritized 1B group included K through 12 teachers, but not higher education.
We're going to be patient, and we're going to get our folks vaccinated when the county lets us know that it's time for us to go.
Maricopa County confirms it's focusing on original guidelines from the CDC, which include K through 12 educators and child care workers in the prioritized 1B group. But here's where it gets confusing. ASU confirms it has 11,500 employees deemed eligible to get the vaccine, and staff has already been getting it, despite not being K through 12 education.
When you see things in the media that might be a little bit confusing, we get additional questions, and we're trying to answer those as best we can.
This likely comes down to different qualifications at the state's vaccination sites. The state tells Arizona's Family it is vaccinating college educators at its state-run sites. Dr. Albert Saloza is a political science and religion teacher at Phoenix College. He got vaccinated because he happened to be in the car with his wife at State Farm Stadium when she got her vaccination as a first grade teacher.
She's in the priority list, so I accompanied her very early in the morning. We at 6 a.m. and while I was there, I presented myself and volunteered to be vaccinated.
But Saloza says he understands why elementary school teachers would be in the priority group.
What I think is key here is that in our elementary school districts, they are teaching face-to-face.
And Maricopa Community Colleges did tell me they are holding about 90% of their classes right now virtually, but because they work with the county, they say they are sticking to following their guidelines, which means that their educators are supposed to wait to get the vaccine. Reporting live tonight, Brianna Whitney for Arizona's Family.